In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new users to Wix and customize their permissions. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and use your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. It's important to note that you must be the site owner or have administrative permissions to proceed with inviting and managing users. From the dashboard, select the specific website you wish to share access to. Next, you'll need to open up the Roles and Permissions section. You'll find this option by clicking on Settings on the left sidebar. Under Team Management, click on Roles and Permissions. Once you're here, you'll see a handy list of the current users who have access to your site. This section also notes their assigned roles such as admin or editor, as well as their status, indicating whether they are active, pending, or removed. The next step is to invite new people. Look to the top right and you'll see a button labeled Plus Invite People. Click it and then enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You'll also need to select their role or permission level, and I'll give you some details on those in just a second. After you've made your selection, go ahead and click Send Invite. Once you've done this, the person will receive an email invitation to join your site team. They just need to accept it, and then they'll be able to log in using their own Wix account, accessing the site with the permissions you've set. Choosing the right role is crucial, and it's helpful to know the different levels of access that you can assign. An admin has full control and can manage almost everything, including inviting others. This is perfect for a business partner or co-owner. A website manager can take care of site content, SEO, and publishing, while an editor can make changes to pages, text, and media, but doesn't have access to billing or settings. Blog writers and back office managers have specific roles, handling just blog posts or store orders and bookings, respectively. If you have a billing manager, they can only manage subscriptions and finance-related aspects. Finally, a domain manager handles domain settings,